A lot of people ask the question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? But that question is stupid because dinosaurs came from eggs. An egg-related question I am more interested in is, should you use an egg when breading your chicken cutlets? The answer to this here may surprise you. Growing up in an Italian household in New Jersey, we always had chicken cutlets for dinner. They were a staple, and they were so simple that my mom would often apologize for making them. But we never accepted that apology because they are incredibly delicious and one of the most versatile leftovers you can have in your fridge. You can make them into awesome chicken parm, put them on top of salads, or throw them inside of sandwiches. Or you can just do what I do and eat them out of a Ziploc bag right out of the fridge. When I went to college, an ambitious lad with big dreams and zero cooking skill, I tried making this so easy it warrants an apology dish for myself using all of the top-rated online recipes. They turned out to be a pain in the ass, and I just couldn't get them to taste as good as the cutlets I grew up with. I talked to my mom, and I found out why.
Skip the egg and flour. Breadcrumbs stick fine without them. Just pound them thin, add seasoning, dip them in Italian breadcrumbs mixed with parmesan, and boom, it's so easy, Code.
Needless to say, I made them this way and haven't looked back, but a lot of people have told me to. So today, I'm making chicken cutlets two ways, with the only difference being the egg and flour. And I'm gonna put them head to head in a chicken cutlet battle. 2 chicken cutlets enter, only 1 chicken cutlet leaves. Actually, both of them leave. I end up eating both of the cutlets. Spoiler alert. The process here is simple. Pound the chicken flat, season the chicken, not the breadcrumbs, to ensure even seasoning, and then coat and fry in a super hot pan. Sorry to all you baked cutlet folk, they just are not as good. So, we got our 2 cutlets prepared with a nice golden brown. Cutting them in half, you see that one looks more like a seasoned piece of chicken, and another has a thicker crust on the outside, almost like the chicken is wrapped with a thicker than paper layer of seasoning. But looks can only take us so far, so let's try these cutlets. Cue the suspenseful music. This one's better. There's just no question. I think the flour and the egg wash on this add like a weird texture to that crust. I don't like having like this extra layer of crust. Like I can pull this crust off, you know what I mean? And look at it. Like I can hold that. This, I'm not pulling this crust off. It's not. It doesn't happen. It's adhered to the chicken. I think this just tastes a lot more flavorful. It's better for you. It's easier to make. Like, why? Try this. Try this at home. Because this, college me had the right idea. This is like too thick. Something. I think what this dumb, more improvisational version of me is trying to say is that both chicken cutlets have their merits. Both of them are really tasty, but at the end of the day, one of them is going to be working its way into your daily routine if you're a chicken cutlet type of person, so why not make it the one that is just as tasty and a lot easier and cleaner to make. The other chicken cutlets take a while, let's be honest. They can be a mess, especially if you're making them for a huge group of people. So I just suggest giving this just breadcrumb version a try because honestly, the egg and the flour is meant to make the breadcrumbs stick, and if the breadcrumbs stick without it, then what's the point? You know what I mean? I know a lot of food is nostalgia-based, so if you like it more schnitzely in quality and have that flour and egg, then go for it. I don't blame you. It's just totally different from what I'm used to and what I grew up with. But I think you should give both a try. Make choices for yourself. Don't listen to some random guy on the internet. Either way, I hope you have an awesome day, awesome week, and I hope you're living an awesome life. Be very safe out there during this crazy time. It's f***ing nuts right now, so stay safe, be well.